Halo guys, perkenalkan saya Filsa Karoma Hazara dari kelas 12 MIPA 2. Di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang discussion text. Meaning of discussion text. Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. Purpose of discussion text. The purpose of a discussion text is to present an issue or information by presenting several opinions of experts in their field, and usually the opinions present and contradictory or pros and cons. So it can be concluded that the author made the text based on the discourse that is in society. Discussion text structure. 1. Issues. This section is usually located at the beginning of the paragraph, which contains the placement of the problem or issues to be discussed, debated. 2. Supporting points. In this section, the author presents opinions that support the issue pro. In each paragraph, the supporting points consist of two components, including the main idea of the paragraph and the elaboration. 3. Contrasting points. In this section, the author presents opinions that oppose the issue or problem contra, as in the support points paragraph. 4. Conclusion or recommendation. In this section, the author presents conclusion or recommendation from the issues, discourse of problems that have been discussed. Example of discussion text. Video games issue. Nowadays, the video games industry is developing rapidly. It becomes a multi-billion-dollar industry. Video games have become an important part not only in the children's life, but also in adults' life. Nevertheless, there is an argument whether video games bring good or bad influence on children. Arguments for people who have a pro-arguments claim that video games give a lot of benefit. Playing video games is a good way to kill children's boredom. It can refresh the children's mind after a tiring school day. Moreover, they also argue that video games can trigger children to be more creative because the game provides challenge way to win. In other words, they believe that the video games can actually sharpen a human's brain. Arguments against. Conversely, some people believe that video games make children lazy. They argue that playing video games is addictive. As a consequence, most of the children prefer playing video games to studying. These children find it hard to concentrate on their study because they always think about how to spend more time playing video games. In fact, there are also some children who skip their extracurricular lesson just because they want to play video games. In addition, most of the video games often equals to mass violence. 2 years ago in the USA, for example, a student shot his teacher and some of his friends. Newspapers said that the boy was deeply influenced by the action in the video games he used to play with. Recommendation. It is obvious that video games have more disadvantages than advantages. Therefore, parents should be very careful in selecting the appropriate game for their children. Oke, sampai di sini dulu pembahasan kita tentang discussion text. Thanks for watching all. See you guys.